Hello and welcome to the Martin Yale Live Expo. I'm Amanda and you'll be hearing my voice for this demo. And you're seeing Samantha. She's our customer service manager and she's going to show you how to laminate some invitations on our ALM 3222. A quick note before we get started here, we do have a higher volume of attendees today, so we are not able to take questions live on the chat, but please feel free to give us a call at 888-202-5579. And we'll be more than happy to answer any questions you have or get you any information. You can also contact your sales rep directly if you have their info, and they'll be able to help you as well. And so let's get started. We have some invites here today that we're going to laminate with some 1.5 mil gloss film. Samantha's going to show us how to load the film. This unit isn't completely warmed up yet. It's about halfway there, so this is kind of a in-between cold and hot threading. You can do it either way. You can thread the machine cold or hot. Open up the side and the front here and unlock our rollers. And this is our top roll or our bottom roll. It's got our RFID chip in it. That tells the machine what kind of film you're putting in it. It helps it to set the temperature and also the speed. Those are adjustable later on if you don't like the quality of what's coming out, but it does kind of preset it for you so you have a good place to start. It's our top roll. The black stripe on the core corresponds with the black dot on the machine, and that way you can put it on the correct direction each time. That is important because there is adhesive on this film, obviously, and you do not want that adhesive to be touching the hot rollers. It does create quite the mess to clean up, and you don't want to do that. So a threading bar, just going to get that out of the way real quick. It's spring loaded, so it just pops out, and then you put it right back in after you got the film behind it. There are a couple of little arrows inside the framework there to show you which hole those goes in, so you don't have to guess on that. And then you just overlap the film. And these rollers actually are pretty warm right now, so you just want to be careful with your fingers. You don't want to get burnt. Machine goes up to 270 degrees, so it will burn you, so we do advise caution when doing this. This is just a threading card. We're using just a stiff piece of cardboard today. And there are official threading cards, but we have found that just anything that will hold the lamination together while you're putting it through here will work. There is a manual feed in the back. Samantha's got that right now. And she's just feeding through our threading card just to make sure that the top and the bottom film are both coming through here. You don't want anything getting wrapped up or rolled around anything. So we just kind of watch it as it comes out, and that way we don't have to worry about anything ending up somewhere in the machine that you don't want it. Also on the back here is our trim adjustment. These are side cutters. They have micro adjustments. You can precise flush cut or exact border encapsulate anything that you're laminating. Encapsulated our threading card there, and that's just it's laminated it all the way around, but you can do it different ways. So our invitation, we're just going to set that in the feed tray here. We're also going to laminate these and trim them. We're going to run these through our RD435 die cutter in a later demo. And we should be up to temp here. So we're just going to cut that piece off on the back and hit our start button. And it's going to pull the film through here. While we're watching it do that, some of the other features we mentioned before, this machine will laminate, trim, and stack documents in a single pass, virtually hands-free. It does have heated rollers for crystal clear, scratch-free lamination. Handles up to 13-inch wide sheets. The standard mode does do 19 inches long, but there's also a built-in long mode operation for banner length prints or other just longer pieces of paper that you may have. We are doing a border cut on this particular application today. It does run up to 68 inches per minute, but that again, totally adjustable. You can use up to 130-pound cover stock when you're using the thinner film. Temperature range, again, ones have 170 degrees up to 270. Takes about 5 minutes to warm up. It was already a little bit warm when we started today, so we didn't have to wait too long to warm up. We do have an operation panel in the front where Samantha is standing. This panel is our LCD display. Start, stop, which is just green and red. It's very convenient. Also has your temperature, speed, and trim settings. It's a standard 120 volt machine, so no special power is required. This just plugs into your standard wall outlet. This unit does come with a 180-day manufacturer's warranty. Covers any kind of manufacturing defects. You just give us a call, talk to our technical support, and they are more than happy to help you out with whatever's going on. You can register your products martinyale.com/register. That will give you registration information for your warranty, and also will give you to a couple of different websites, so you can get through the Dry-Lam website, which this is a Dry-Lam branded product. Other film you can use, like I said, we're using 1.5 right now. You can also use 3 mil, 5 mil, and this machine does go up to 10 mil thickness. We do have gloss and matte available. We also have a silk matte. Machine will also do single-sided lamination, so you can just laminate the top and have a peel-off underfilm on the bottom if you don't want to laminate both sides of your application. Machine also comes with the cart that it's sitting on. This is just a standard cart. It does have a cutout that allows the scrap to fall down. You can put a bin underneath there or some kind of trash can just to catch the scrap as it cuts in between the sheets and around them for easy disposal. It also has on the cart on the bottom there stability bars. This is something that I didn't know until today. Those will help keep the cart from tipping over. Machine's a little bit top heavy once you get it on the cart, so that those bars at the bottom definitely can help you out when you're moving it around so that you don't tip it over. We're just going to show you how to re-thread it real quick. Samantha just unlocked the rollers. If you heard it beep, that was because it's out of paper. The material that we had put through is gone through. So it beeps to let you know, hey, there's nothing else to laminate. I'm done. So you can either shut it off. You can also put more material in there, obviously. Or if you need to change film, this would be a great time to do that. As you can see, to change it, just cut it off in front of the rollers and overlap it again. And just run it right back through here like we did the first time. Be sure to stick around longer today. We do have more demos going on. We do have our Element Series laminators. We do have a table trimmer, and also, as mentioned, our RD435 die cutter. So jump over and check that stream out when you're done here. Again, if you need more information or have absolutely any questions, you can always give us a call. You can email us at info@martinyale.com. or you can also get us at orders@martinyale.com. Our Expo line today is phone number 888-202-5579. I want to thank you for joining us today. Our live expo is going on, so if you want to check those out, we're definitely going to be around a little bit longer. Thanks for watching us today. Give us a few minutes. We're going to take a short break, reset some equipment, and we will see you on the next demo.